When your carpet's in a mess, call ProCare.
Thank you for choosing Fiber Protector to safeguard your rugs, upholstery, or carpet. In order for you to have the best service experience possible, here are a few things you need to do prior to our arrival. First, notify all persons residing or working at the application site about your Fiber Protector project. Please do not schedule any other service companies at the project site during the scheduled application. Second, ensure that all items or areas to be treated are free of any loose personal belongings such as clothing, toys, or electronics. Third, for rug applications, please remove all small items such as chairs, ottomans, floor lamps, or tables. It is very important that you inform us of larger pieces such as beds or sectional sofas that will need to be moved so that we can have the appropriate personnel on your project. Fourth, please inform any service technician of any pre-existing spots, stains, soiling, or defects that you are aware of on items to be treated. Fifth, our service technicians will facilitate proper ventilation during the application process by opening any available windows or doors. Air movers will also be used to improve dry time and help ventilate. Sixth, please prohibit access of people and pets to items and areas that are being treated during the application process. Seventh, we recommend restricting access to the treated items for 2 to 4 hours after the application is complete to give ample dry time. And lastly, at times you may smell the presence of isopropyl alcohol, as this is the carrying agent for Fiber Protector. There's absolutely no reason for concern. The protector has been applied directly to the textile and is not airborne. Isopropyl alcohol can sometimes be quite evident during and shortly after application. However, within a short time, it should only be slightly noticeable, similar to walking into a bathroom where hairspray was recently used. Following these simple steps will ensure that your Fiber Protector application goes as smoothly as possible.
When your carpet's in a mess, don't settle for anyone less. Call the company